Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, especially Prof. Agung. Today we are going to present our midterm assignment focusing on what, where, when, who, why, and how analysis of an article titled Analysis of Factor Affecting Employee Work Productivity at CV Citra Proteksindo Jambi City, written by Mustika and Muhammad Amali. Next.
Okay, before we continue, I will introduce the members of Group 3. Our team member are Alifah Rahmawati, Sari Amanda Widyadana, Devi Dwi Putri, Vanessa Sandi Indira, Kiriel Ashila Gasani, and myself, Karin Zalianti Martiza. Now, Vanessa will explain what part of this article.
From the presentation, I will start with what. So the main issue discussed in this article is employee work productivity within a company, which is considered a key factor in achieving organizational goals. For more specifically, the study examines how work motivation and work experience influence employees' productivity levels and overall performance. In this context, productivity is not only about how much work is complete, but also about the quality and efficiency of the output produced by employees. The article highlights that difference in motivation and experience can lead to variation in how employees perform their tasks. So, based on the findings, the study suggests that improving employees' work experience and paying more attention to motivational factors can significantly help enhance overall work output. Therefore, both aspects are considered important in supporting better productivity within the company. Next.
Okay, next, I will explain the who aspect of the study, which refers to the research subject involved in the article. In this research, the subject are employees of CV Citra Proteksindo, a company located in Jambi City, Indonesia. These employees become the main source of data because they are directly involved in the company daily operational activities. The reason why employees were selected as the research subject is because they represent the main human resource input in the company's operational system. In operational management, human resource are considered a key input that support the transformation process where different resources are converted into productive outputs. Because of that, the study focuses on employees to analyze how individual factors, particularly work motivation and work experience, influence their productivity. These factors are important because difference in motivation and experience can affect how effectively employees perform their tasks. From an operational perspective, this difference may lead to variation in work performance and output. Therefore, in this research, employees are not only treated as respondents, but they also represent the human capital that drive the organization productivity. Next.
Okay, moving on to the location, the research was conducted at CV Citra Proteksindo, located in Jambi City, specifically in the Simpang Ahok area. The company operates in the service sector, where its main activities involve providing services to customers. In carrying out its operations, the company relies heavily on human resources as the primary drivers of its operational activities. With this characteristic, CV Citra Proteksindo represents a relevant research setting as it reflects a service-based company whose operations are largely dominated by the role of human resources in executing daily activity. Next.
All right, let's talk about the timeline. In this section, we will break down the when was it conducted aspect from four different temporal perspectives to provide deeper context for this article. First, regarding the data collection period, this study utilizes comprehensive operational data from the entire year of 2019, spanning from January to December. This indicates that the data covers a full annual cycle rather than a short-term sample. From what we understand in the article, one of the key indicators used to measure work productivity is timeliness. Therefore, when we look more closely at the operational timeframes, the company recorded a total of 297 working days in a year, with monthly variation ranging from 18 to 27 working days. This range is crucial for capturing employee behavior patterns across a full cycle. From an academic standpoint, the article went through a validation process and was officially published in September 2020 in Economist Journal of Economics and Business. This reflects a clear time transition from data collection to scientific validation. Lastly, the time aspect is also examined from a human perspective through work tenure. The respondents in this study are categorized based on their length of service, ranging from 1 to 15 years. This variation in tenure provides insight into how the factors of time or experience within the company significantly influences the level of work productivity they achieve. Next.
Okay, now I will explain why this research is important. Based on the article, there are 5 points. First, work discipline issues. The researchers found problem with work discipline. The 2019 data showed that many employees were not disciplined, like coming late or being absent. This makes it hard for the company to manage daily work. Second, risk to company goals. Low productivity is a big risk for company goals. If employees are not productive, the company cannot reach its target. This stops the business from being successful in the future. Third, the study focused on human resources because this is a service company. In this business, employees are the most important part because they serve the customer directly. Their performance is the key to success. Fourth, the researchers want a scientific evaluation. Instead of just guessing, they use real data to prove how factors like motivation and work experience really affect performance. Last, it's about efficiency. The article says productivity is the ratio between output and input. Understanding this ratio will help the company use their resources more effectively. Next, Vitali will explain the how part of this article.
Okay, now let's dive into the how. This is where we look at the scientific process used to get these results. The first point is research design. The researchers chose a descriptive quantitative approach. Instead of just guessing, they wanted to use hard numbers and statistics to describe the situation at CV Citra Proteksindo. This ensured that the findings are factual, accurate, and objective. The second point is data collection. To get the most reliable data, they used two main methods. They distributed questionnaires to all 12 employees to gather measurable data on their feelings and habits. Additionally, they conducted interviews to get a deeper understanding of daily operation directly from the staff. And the third point is tool use. Once the data was collected, it wasn't just calculated manually. The team used SPSS version 23, which is a professional industry standard software for statistical analysis. This ensures that the margin of error is low and the results are mathematically sound. And the last point is the analysis model. If you look at the formula, they applied a multiple linear regression model. Think of this as a math bridge that connects the causes and the effects. They test two specific factors: work motivation as X1 and work experience as X2 to see exactly how much they influence the final productivity as Y. By using this structured methodology, the study provides a very clear picture of what actually drives results in the company. Next.
Okay, next let's see how this study connects to Chapter 1. The article titled Analysis of Factor Affecting Employee Productivity at CV Citra Proteksindo Jambi City is related to Chapter 1 in Operation Management, which discusses productivity as a measure of operational performance. In this theory, productivity is defined as the ratio between output and input, where one of the key inputs is labor or human resources. This study is consistent with the concept as it examines how motivation and work experience as components of labor input influence the level of employee productivity within the company.
Okay, from what we have presented about this article, it can be concluded that this article conducted by Mustika and Muhammad Amali at CV Citra Proteksindo in Jambi City focuses on analyzing the factors that influence employee work productivity, specifically work motivation and work experience. Carried out throughout 2019, study aimed to determine the extent of these factors' influence while addressing operational challenges such as suboptimal employee attendance, and a lack of punctuality. To achieve this, the researchers utilized a descriptive quantitative approach, collecting data through questionnaires and interviews from all 12 employees of the company, which were then analyzed using multiple linear regression techniques.
And that is the end of our presentation today. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Have a great day and thank you.